How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, guys? Master Kelvin here with El Dorado FX as usual, bringing to you the best forecast as possible. As you know, this is no financial advice. It's our view, what we think is gonna happen in the markets. So, guys, I'm very pumped. I'm very excited. Again, as you know, that we are in a new week for gold. If you follow our forecast last week, you bang it, guys. You bang it. You can go back to the videos from last week and you will see that. And once again, our bias has been very amazing. The entry points that we suggest they've been really good. The prices that we provide with the simple price entry has been a banger as well. So everything has been amazing. So today we're going very simple. It's a weekly forecast, but as you know, our bias remain the same. We are still bullish until we see any changes on the weekly time frame. At the moment, even though we have a lot of news last week, the structure is still holding. We haven't seen any supports breaking, any major supports. We've seen retracement, we've seen correction, we've seen pullbacks, but we still don't see gold really moving that hard to the downside for us to say we're switching completely to bearish. For now, we're still remaining on the bullish bias. We still think that 3,000 will be the target. Remember, we talked about 2,950 last week, which was really amazing that it was achieved. So even though it went even further than that, 2,955, that is the highest price that gold ever has been. That's the all-time high. So guys, just keep following this amazing forecast. So it's incredible for me. It's a privilege to be able to share all this knowledge, to be able to share all these entries, all these ideas with you guys, and make it as simple as possible. It's not really complicated the way we make it. We just try to be very straightforward with you guys, providing entry prices and providing uh, setups that sometimes they place out and sometimes they don't. It's really what it is in trading. Remember, everything comes down to proper risk management. We cannot control the market. We cannot control anything. What we can only control is how much we can lose. That's the only control that we have over the market. Everything else is probabilities, and we need to be clear about that. There is no rich get quick rich skin here, so you're not gonna get rich overnight. So you just need to keep pushing, guys. Keep working on yourself. Keep working and your technique, keep working and everything, keep advancing, keep moving forward. Don't get disappointed. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, but in the end, it's always come down to proper risk management. What we have to manage is that always our win has to be more than what we lose. Okay, guys, always manage your money correctly. So talking about gold straight away, we know that the all-time high at the moment it lies on 2,955 price, around 2,955, and then we have the which was the previous weekly high, and now we have the previous weekly low at 2,000 at basically 979 area. So as right now we see the trend line that is pointing up to the upside as it is. So every pullback, I'm taking it as an opportunity to buy, to be honest. Even though we saw that correction the previous week, but we still see that gold is still pushing and taking highs and creating new highs. So that is why we're still pointing to the place where the gold is going. It's going up. So we try to go up with gold. So that is why our buy zone is very simple this week. The price that closes last week Friday. So what we're looking for is a buy zone between 2,936 and 2,920. Our entry idea will be at 2,922, looking for 3,000 again. All the TPIX that we think it can do are here, and the SL is 2,914. Very simple, straightforward. As you know, if the price remain above 2,914, that would be a really good, or actually 2,918, that would be a really good signal for us that the price is going to keep pumping up. So we need to observe. Remember, we check for confirmations. That's the only suggestion we can always give you guys. So straight away, we're jumping into the forex.com to see the price that we're going to suggest. Remember, we're providing simple prices that you can guys check for confirmations for buys or for sells. Some of them, mostly for the sells, we suggest that you take as a scalping. The buys, if you want to hold for long, remember that always use proper risk management, especially always use break even when you are winning, and never let a winning trade basically turn into a losing trade. Never allows that. Okay, so these are the prices. So you can check for confirmation for a buy around 2,933, and the other one check confirmation for a buy 2,929. Check for sales confirmation. Remember scalping at 2,943, and then also as well 2,953 around the all-time high. Start checking for confirmations for sales around there as well in case you get a retest and drop down. Okay, that's the suggestion for gold. We're straight away going to BTC. BTC on the 4-hour time frame is showing us, remember, break the trend line to basically confirm that the bulls are in control. But we see now a massive correction to the downside, and the price that we thought it would be a support is now used as a resistance. And now the only thing that can sustain this is if the price remains about 95,000, 94,000, and bounce again from the trend line around 94,701. Okay, even though it can go all the way down again to correct the move around 93,000 area. So for now, we still see that it's showing signal of pushing down Bitcoin, even though we are in a bullish market, but it's very volatile assets. So you need to be very, very careful how you trade it. Okay, guys, this is all from me and from us, Eldorado FX, as usual. Remember that we are here for you, anything you need and every questions you have. All the best and have a very nice trading week. Take care, bye bye, and see you in the next video.